Hey YouTubers, well, we're at the big moment when we pick the winner of this 14 by 6.5 Douglas Fir from Michael Outlaw at Outlaw Drums. Again, thank you to everyone that has taken the time to subscribe, to leave some constructive criticism on how I can better the channel. Every voice was heard. I wrote a bunch of notes down, and I look forward to producing the highest quality content that I'm capable of. Now, when I went to give this drum away, we already talked about how much I loved it, but I felt it was important after I posted it to actually travel down to Georgia and spend some time with Michael Outlaw and see what he was doing. And I could tell you, it was just a Class A operation, a great man, his guys were great. Everything about Outlaw reassured me that I was doing the right thing by trying to introduce somebody to the brand. So, I'm smart enough to know that I wasn't going to be the guy to pick the winner. I'm going to hand it over to the master, Mike Outlaw, and let him do it. Again, thank you everybody. Good luck.
Good.
I saw that.
So it's drawing time. Steve Colucci, the SCDrummer. That's what it is on YouTube. SCDrummer, no space. On YouTube, you can check his channel out. He's giving back to the community, fixing to do a drawing here in just a few seconds. Doing the drawing, going to he sent me a list of people that has commented and subscribed to his YouTube channel. We sift through it, narrowed it down to about 10 people. I get 10 people, wrote it on some random boards in the shop, put it into a bucket, shake it around right there. I'm gonna pick it out, and you're gonna see who wins. So definitely excited about it. Definitely can't wait to see who wins these things. So after all that, after all things said and done, the winner is going to be whoever I draw out of this bucket. Hand in there, pick a random one out. I don't know which one it's gonna be, and let you see who it is. All right, here we go. Excited. Drum roll, please. The winner is Insane Foolish. Insane Foolish, you have 24 hours to contact Steve Colucci to receive your free Outlaw Drum Snare. Yep, that's it. Let's just see who would number 2 be. Who would number 2? Number 2 would be Jonah Hethron. I think that's right. That would be the next one. So yeah, Steve Colucci is an awesome guy. He loved Outlaw drums enough to be able to, he bought 2 snare drums, and actually loved the snare drum so much he wanted to give away to the drumming community. So I thought that was an amazing thing for him, and I'm excited. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to Steve Colucci for his generosity and his belief in Outlaw drums, giving back to the community. Thank you so much for doing this. This is definitely not sponsored by Outlaw Drums at all. He bought that snare drum full price and chose to give it away to the community, one of his favorite snares. So yeah, thank you, Steve Colucci. Appreciate you. I'm excited. Now, what am I going to do with all these boards here? Maybe I can make something with these boards here. Sure, I can figure something out with it.